How to fix Twitter or X app not loading image. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Twitter server status and tap on any of the following link here. Make sure the server is not down, and if the server is down for Twitter, then wait for some time and then reopen Twitter and see if that fixes your issue. If not, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Twitter. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly, and if not, then go ahead and update the application further. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down to Apps and tap on it. Further, scroll down again and tap on the X option and make sure all the permissions are enabled. And if the in-app permissions are disabled, then go ahead and enable the in-app permissions, especially for photos, camera, and microphone. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in Settings again, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap on the X option and go ahead and offload the app by tapping on the Offload App option. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the app and see if your issue is fixed or not. So, this is how you can fix Twitter or X app not loading image. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.